I have participated in one of the panels on Thursday. This was about the innovation in medicine in the context of the collaboration between different players. Here it involves academic institutions, the patients' organizations, and pharmaceutical and technological companies, and obviously the political and governmental organizations. That's a good question. The future is uncertain in the context of global uncertainty, and we certainly need a collaboration on the continent between key players. We need a better funding. We need also a better regulation that would, at least in my opinion, use the people's energy and intelligence and spark and allow them to use their skills for the development of innovations. I also think that we need a better funding. I think that Europe is a great place to live on, and we deserve good quality healthcare. We meet here on this conference to discuss about the steps that are necessary to improve the accessibility to the innovations in medicine in Poland and on the entire continent. So I think that we should remain optimistic and work together for the better future in the field of healthcare. The conference is great. There are a lot of important experts from the European Commissions, from different organizations, from the industry, from the patient societies. So we are able to see the issue of life science and healthcare from different perspectives. I have been living in Kraków for, I believe, more than 40 years now, so Kraków is a hometown for me, so I think it is a good place to live in. Dziękuję bardzo.